This is a right leg. We're going to make another right leg. First thing first, we're going to find the right coxal bone. So the correct coxal bone will always have the acetabulum facing away from the midline. We'll have this region right here, the pubis facing forward. So perfect. Next, we're going to need a femur. The femur, we're going to need to make sure that it's the medial head of the femur, so medial head, medial condyle, are going to be able to face into this acetabulum. So perfect, we're just going to go just like that. And now we're going to need a tibia and a fibula. So the tibia, the correct tibia, this medial malleolus is always in line with the head of the femur. Okay. And then we're going to do fibulas. Now fibula, what you do is you orient it so that the facet, this is the facet, the smooth part, you rotate that away from you, and the direction that the bulge goes in lets you know. So this one is bulging toward the right, so I know this is a right fibula. And now technically I don't have the proper foot, but a foot would go right down here.